Hello and welcome to Growth Learners YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to run calling ads on Facebook and Instagram. A calling ad is an ad format where when a user sees your ad on Facebook or Instagram, they can directly click on a button which will go on their mobile dialer pad and they can directly call your business. So the call to action for this type of ad format will be simply call now. So instead of taking users to your website or app, in this ad format, you are directly asking them to call your business. This ad format is very good if you have a team who can attend to calls because this will help you to get a high number of calls on a daily basis, and also you will generate a very good number of leads from this ad format. So you should definitely try the calling ad format. Let's learn how to create calling ads on Facebook and Instagram. So we are now in our ads manager account. We'll simply click on create. So we have these 6 campaign objectives listed here. So calling ad is available in the traffic objective. As you can see here, this calls option is available. And what it says is get people who may be interested in your business to call you. So it is available in the traffic objective and it is also available under the leads objective as well. As you can see here, calling option is available under leads also. So you can get calls from both the options. But my recommendation is that if you want more calls and eventually leads for your ads, then you should choose the lead objective, because what a traffic objective does is it optimizes for link clicks. So a lot of people will click on the CTA, but they might or might not call you. However, a lead objective optimizes for final conversion. So your ads are shown to those kind of audience who not only click on the call to action button, but eventually are very likely to convert as a lead. So that's why ideally you should use the leads objective for calling ads. But again, you can always experiment and decide your strategy. So let's go ahead with the lead objective and click on continue. Here there are two options. We won't select tailored leads campaign. We will select manual leads campaign because it gives us more control. So I've selected this and now click on continue. Okay, so we are in the campaign section now. You can give this campaign any name. I'm going ahead with the default name, which is new leads campaign. Go down. No need to change anything here. Leave these options as is. Click on next. Now here again, you can give your ad set a name. I'm going with the default option. Now this is the important point, guys. Conversion. Choose the conversion location. Choose where you want to generate leads. So there are 6 options here. And as you can see here, the 5th option is calling option. Generate leads by asking people to call your business. So we'll select this option, go down. Now performance goal option, right? So when you select calling option, this is the by default option here, maximize number of calls. And this is what we need. What it says here is we will try to deliver your ad to try to get you the most possible calls and report the number of times that the call button in the call confirmation dialog is clicked. So when you will later see your campaign reports, it will also show you how many times the call button in this call confirmation dialog was clicked. So this is good. We have done the required settings here. We'll again go down. We'll select our budget and schedule. Again, you can change these as per your requirements. I'm going by the default options available. You can set up a start date and end date. Again, you can do this. I'm going ahead with the default option. And now the audience selection part. So you can select your location, age group you want to target, genders, and even do detailed targeting based on your users' interests and behaviors. I'm going by these default options right now. And again, come down. Now you have the placement selection option, whether you want to show the ads on all Facebook, Instagram properties or do any manual placement selection. Like if you want your ad to appear on only Instagram reels, only Facebook feeds, etc. So you can do these selections again based on your requirement. I am going ahead with the advantage plus placement option. Now, as you can see here, it also shows you estimated daily results. So with my budget, which I had selected 800 rupees per day, it is telling me my ad will be shown to around 13,000 to 37,000 people. So these are estimated results and I'll get less than 10 calls in a day. If I increase my budget, let's see, instead of 800 Indian rupees, I'm changing it to 8,000 Indian rupees. Now you can very clearly see here, the reach has increased a lot. It is 122K to 354K in a day and I'll get 20 to 68 calls in a day. So this is what I told you. If you set a proper budget, you will get a very high volume of calls, which eventually should convert into good leads. So now we will click on next. Now we are in the ad section where we will set up our ad creative and publish our ad. So again, you can give any name to this ad. I'm going with the default option. Let's go down. it is asking for the ad format you want to select, single image or video or carousel. I'm going ahead with the single image option. Add media, click on add image. I'm using this image here. Done. Now we'll go down. You can add primary text here, enter your headline. So all these things you can do. Even it is asking for a call description. Let people know who they will be talking to when they call. So you can mention here like connect with our advisors, connect with our sales team. Okay, so based on your business's requirement, you can enter all these details. Now this is another important point, destination. Tell us where to send people immediately after they have tapped or clicked on your ad. So because our objective is calling, we have to enter a phone number here. So I'm entering a dummy number here. So this is done. Our ad has been set up correctly. You can see all the previews here, how your ad will appear. So this format is for Instagram stories, what you are seeing here. So this is how the call now option is appearing here. You can also see on feeds, how will it appear. So click on Facebook feed option, go down. See, this is how our ad will appear. This is the ad creatives and the call to action button is call now. So simply when the user will click on this button, it will go to their dialer pad with your business number automatically being filled in, and they have to just click on the dial button. Let's see Instagram feed option also. See, this is how it will appear on Instagram. This is the call now CTA visible here. And now you can simply publish your ad and your ad will start delivering and you will start getting a lot of leads for your business. So we saw how you can run your ad with the leads objective. Similarly, you can do the same thing if you select the traffic campaign objective initially. But like I said, you should ideally run calling ads with lead campaigns objective, because whatever experimentations I have done till now, based on my experience, I can tell you that it works comparatively well with lead objective. Now before we end this video, one more recommendation for these type of ad formats. Ideally you should run calling ads for warm audiences instead of cold audiences. What I mean by warm audiences is those people who have interacted with your business in some way, who have either liked your posts, commented on your posts, or have visited your app or website. These are the warm audiences. So basically when you are retargeting your audiences, then you should use calling ads, because now they are already aware about your business in some way and they are more likely to call your business instead of a completely new audience, which is the cold audience. So again, this is my recommendation that you should try these type of ad formats for retargeting your warm audiences. However, you can experiment this with cold audiences or, as we say, new audiences as well. It depends on your requirement. I hope you found this video useful. If yes, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.